Hello, once again. My name is Muda Magaya, and today we are going to be looking into Nhemamusasa Yekutanga. Nhemamusasa Yekutanga. Please note this is a different Nhemamusasa from the regular Nhemamusasa. It's a Nhemamusasa version, which was a favorite of Muri group. They would play that a lot during their performances. So not a lot of Mbira players play it. I haven't heard it from a lot of Mbira players, but it's a nice song. So let's go through it and enjoy it. So I am going to demonstrate the Kushawa part. I'll start in with without the high lines and add in the high lines as I play. So you'll notice that I started with half of the high lines on the first two phrases, then went back to the lower notes. Then I did a complete cycle whereby I was doing the high lines. So the Kutsinira part will also be doing the same. So I'm now going to demonstrate a second Kushaura part. So in the event that we have more than two players, another person can come in with this part. But it's a bit heavy on the hands, so I would only recommend it if yeah, there are three or more players that are playing. But if there are two players, I would recommend the first Kushaura that I just demonstrated. So we are now moving on to the Kutsinira part. Again, I'll start with the low notes, then I'll move to the netete, which is the higher keys. move again to a second kutsinira, which is quite similar to the one that we just did. So usually when we have more players, another one can play the kutsinira and come in with this part. So we move on to yet another kutsinira, but this one I refer to it as the pamuro part, meaning there will be a lot of emphasis on these keys. We move on now to a kutsinira part, which I have now mixed the last two kutsinira parts, which is the pamuro part and the other kutsinira that we did. So this kutsinira part is a combination of the pamuro and the other kutsinira. So I'm now going to join all those kutsinira parts and try and fit them together. Let's hear how it sounds.